So maybe you're thinking about starting a network marketing business but have no idea which ones are the best ones to join. Well, stick around because I'm going to tell you what you need to be looking for before you join an MLM and which ones are the best to partner with so that you can rank up. Coming up next. Hey, what's up guys? This is Tamil coming to you with another episode for home business owners. You know, on this channel I create videos to help people start and grow their online business and make passive income from home so that you can do more of what you love. And as much as I love online business, I still talk to people face to face about my business because I network, period. I just love it. And that's where I started in the very beginning. So don't be surprised if I give offline strategies as well as online strategies to grow your business. So if you are working your 9 to 5 plus crazy overtime and you want to get into this online space but you don't know how, then you're definitely in the right place. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss any of my future episodes. Now let's get into today's topic. Which MLM company is best one to join? Anyone who has joined a network marketing company will tell you that their company is the best thing since sliced bread and that it is the only one that has a patent on the comp plan and that they have the best all-natural products and that their company has the best mission statement. All of that is great, but let's narrow it down to just a few factors that ultimately matter when joining a network marketing business so that you can rank up and have the best success. And with that being said, definitely look at the product that you are representing in a multi-level marketing company. The best ones to join are those that have a consumable product or a reusable service. And the reason why this is so important is that in order for a network marketing structure to produce residual income, it must provide a product that the consumer will need on a monthly basis or provide an ongoing service. And a good example of a consumable product would be one that's used every single day. So food, vitamins, hair care products, skincare products are great. Now, in the past, I've come across some MLM companies that have sold clothing, and one particular one sold women's undergarment, and the company produced so many top earners. It was ridiculous. But here's the big issue with that product. Women won't buy undergarments every single day. You need to buy things such as washing detergent often, but you don't need to buy undergarments. So we change undergarments every day, but we don't need to buy them every day. This MLM company sold a lot of women's undergarments. And I know you're wondering, well, where's the problem? Well, the problem with this company was repeat customer base. I mean, I could buy this garment one time and keep it for 5 years, but you can't make residual income that way. Residual income comes from continuous sales. And with that being said, you have to choose a company that's going to have longevity with this product. Also, join a network marketing company that's in its momentum stage. You see, there's different stages to network marketing companies, and these stages that they go through determine how they will succeed. From the beginning of its launch phase, it's important that you get in right as it begins to take off. So first, you have the beginning stage, which is the launch stage of the company. And this is when the company is brand new and is typically testing everything out at the launch stage. The company may have less than, who knows, maybe 20,000 distributors, and it's not really established yet. Now, I don't recommend this stage because the company is going through so many growth spurts and it really hasn't found stability yet. The last thing you want is to join a network marketing company in the launch phase and it struggles a lot. What if you become successful, but the company does not, and you find yourself walking away because of changes that the company made, maybe to the comp plan or to the way the money is distributed? Now, I know you're wondering, well, how could this happen and you're successful in this company? Well, you can't really build a company by yourself. You know, network marketing is based on team effort, and it takes a team of people to push a company into the next stage. So now this brings me to the second stage, which is momentum. And this here is where you want to be. It's at this phase where the company has, steady business that is growing fast paced and the name is becoming more popular in the network marketing industry. So you can bypass the trial period and jump right into profit in this stage. And it's here where company distributors are multiplying by like tens of thousands each month. And there's nothing wrong with the beginning stage of network marketing. However, timing is everything and momentum is where you can have the most growth in your organization. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't it already too late to join? Should I have joined this company in the beginning stage when no one knew anything about it? And the answer to that is no. There's a lot of trial and error in the beginning parts of a network marketing business, and oftentimes collapse starts very early on. And so no, it's not too late. So you want to make sure that this company will have growth and be here for the long haul. So you have a huge advantage in the momentum stage, and personally, I prefer getting in right at this stage of a network marketing business, right as it begins to take off. Sometimes people think that their success depends on which company that they join, and this is true to an extent. However, the foundation of network marketing is networking, and whether people like it or not, it does matter who you partner with. And I'm sure you've heard the saying before that people join people. You should look for sponsorship that could help you approach family and friends, or who can hop on a phone call with you and do a 2-on-1, or someone that can teach you about prospecting for your business, or getting leads or sales and signups for your business. This is the type of upline that you need. You want someone who can help you advance and inspire you. And this is vital to the business, because when you're a newbie starting your business, you're going to need a lot of help from your upline. And in the beginning, you're going to want that mentorship. I can't tell you how many times I've heard horror stories of people partnering with MLM companies, believing that they will have all of the support that they need, and then their upline drops out of the business or maybe abandons them altogether. And this isn't cool, because it's what gives multi-level marketing companies a really bad name. People are afraid to partner with the wrong people in fear that they will get stuck or maybe frustrated with their business, and then vow to never basically step into this business ever again. So who sponsor you does matter, and you have a say-so in this matter. Now, on another note, if you're someone that already belongs to a network marketing company but you need help, that's okay, because I can definitely help you. This is one reason why I started my channel, to help people build their home business just as I'm doing, so that they can get leads and sales and signups and make passive income from home. All right, everyone, that is it. I encourage you to pick up my free resource that I put together for you in the description below. It's called the Home Business Beginner's Guide. So you want to learn how to make passive income from home, then this resource is going to give you 5 online business ideas that will allow you to fire your boss, work from home, so that you can do more of what you love. Also, share this video with someone who may be interested in taking their network marketing business to the next level, and they may need just a little bit of help. I make videos on a weekly basis helping people who are working their 9 to 5 plus overtime, and they want to make passive income from home. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if so, leave a comment below. Also, I would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up if you like what you heard. So hit that bell notification below so that you don't miss out on any future videos from me. And lastly, if you care to share your comment, here is the question of the day. Have you ever joined a network marketing company and realized it wasn't right for you? Tell me why. Drop a message in the comment section below. And again, this is Tamil, and until next time, see you on the next video.